Good morning. The subject is professional communication, and the student name is Nimish Shingal, student ID C08266099. This assignment is a career research report, and I have selected the career on event management. Management looks a very simple department for anyone who don't know about the event management, but once you dig down deep into the event management, you'll get to know that it is one of the most creative department in the corporate world. As the name is not that much creative, it's just a event management. So usually the people think that event management in this you only just have to organize an event, but organizing an event is a really tough task for an individual, because in here you have to plan every single thing and you have to forecast every single thing in advance. You have to plan for the budget and you have to arrange the manforce and you have to deal with the customers and the clients directly. Afterwards, you have to make sure that the event which we are going to organize will execute to the satisfactory level of the client, because that is one of the most important thing in the corporate world. The event management it consists of forecasting, budgeting, advertisement, purchasing, manpower management, and finally the successfully delivery of the event. To the duties and responsibilities of an event manager. The few of the most important duties of the event manager is pre-event planning, because they have to plan everything and they have to forecast for everything in advance before even executing or thinking anything ahead. Afterwards, they have to move to the budgeting, because budgeting is one of the most important factor of any event, because you cannot go ahead than the budget which the client has set to you. Afterwards, you have to manage an event. To manage an event, where an event manager has to look for everything from the staff communication, from the staff coordination to the execution of the event. Then moving ahead, it is the main responsibility come on that day and which the event is going to organize, and it is also called as on-day management, because at that time the event manager has to take care of every small detailing of an event, because even a small thing can actually spoil the whole event, and which will lead to unsatisfaction of the client. And the client satisfaction is one of the most important aspect for any business in order to grow in the corporate world. Afterward, it comes to the post event communication, because in there, after completing the event manager has to coordinate between the staff for everything which has been lost, or which has not been conducted properly, or which has not been done in a way that was planned. So they have to keep a record on that. Afterwards, they have to go through analyzing the feedback. They have to go to the approach to the client and they have to ask them about the feedbacks, as well as they have to ask the feedbacks from some of the managements as well as the staff, so that they get to know that what all things happened actually and which they've planned, and what all things that which they have planned but they didn't get executed because of what situations, and they can plan the things accordingly and they can approach to the client in that way. Requirements for the event management. Event management does not require any kind of specific degree, though nowadays, because of the craze of people in event management, colleges are offering a specific bachelor's and the master's degree in the event management. Though to become an event manager, the one has to be graduated from any kind of bachelor's degree. Usually organizations prefer the commerce background, because they will help you with the budgeting and the accounting thing. Apart from that, one of the most important thing to be an event manager is experience of 3 years at least, because only then you'll get to know about the real-time situations that an event manager has to face in the field when they are organizing an event. Or if you are doing an event management degree, then you must have to do an co-op or the internship in the sector of event management, so that you'll get to know the real-time situations which are totally different from the theoretical situations, and you'll get to know and you can execute them properly if you want to be a really good event manager. Required for an event manager. As we all know that skills are the one of the most important thing for an individual to grow in the career. The key skills of the event manager is a good communication. Good communication means a good interpersonal skill so that they can communicate properly between the guest as well as in the staff, and also they can get the international business if they know how to communicate really good. Apart from that, they have to be knowledgeable about how to forecast and how to budget the things so that they can plan the things accordingly, and they will never get up, they will like never go ahead of their budget. And event manager has to be really a patient listener, because whatever the client is giving the whatever the client is actually instructing you, so that you can listen to them patiently, and after that you can suggest whatever you want to suggest, or you can keep the notes on how you have to organize those things. Moving ahead, time management. Time management is one of the most essential skill that every career requires, and in the event management, time management is one of the most crucial thing, because an event can actually be really good and actually be really bad with just a span of few moments. They have to be like really good and really creative presenters, because an event look has to be look attractive, and if you want to make it attractive, then the event manager has to think creative. Event management also has to be soft spoken, because you cannot shout on any kind of staff or the client at the time of execution of the event. And soft spoken is actually shows that how much patience you are in actual, and patience and the soft spoken thing is the only thing which is gonna take you ahead in your career. Benefits and the salary expectation of an event manager. Event managers can actually expect around 56,000 to 60,000 USD per year, which is like not too much good, but yeah, it is an attractive salary for an beginner. And the benefits of being an event manager is like you have a time to utilize your creativity. You'll get salary, a good salary, as well as incentives if the event is really successful. Apart from them, you will get the freedom of working. You don't have to get pressurized from your bosses or from anyone else to do work in the time limitations. You are free to work and whatever you want and however you want to work. Apart from that, you have to deal with the clients directly. You have to do the client interaction so that you can understand what their needs is, and then you can tell them how you are going to execute them. So that is the one of the most best benefit of this career. The last and the most important thing is learning opportunities. By doing the event manager, an individual can actually earn a lot of things, which are definitely going to help them in their personal as well as their professional career. Problem faced by event management. In the event management, there is no fixed working hours. You have to stay at the place where the event is actually organizing till the time event gets over. So you can say there's a time to get in, but there's no time for getting out. Usually this is, you can say this is good for bachelors, but once if you are not a bachelor anymore, then you have to think on it, because once you'll get responsibilities, then you have to take care of your professional as well as your personal life differently. Another problem which you usually event manager faces is overloading of work, because an event manager has to do every single thing. They have to keep check on everything, no matter how they divide, but eventually at the end of the event, they will get a lot of work to do, and execution an event with proper and the effective way is one of the most important thing for them. Last but not the least, an event manager actually has to face the heated arguments between the employees, because of the situations and the friction between the things which is going on. And the last thing is you'll get no personal life if you're in an event management, because all you have to think is work, and you have to stay in the event, because as I've already mentioned, there's a in time but there is no out time. So you have to actually think on it if you are choosing an career as an event manager. Management. Being an event management is exciting because you come across to new challenges on day-to-day basis, and you can tackle them and learn something new from them, which helps you to grow personal and your personality as well. Moreover, event management career is actually challenging, though it provides you satisfying income. Last but not the least, event management affects an individual's personal life as there is no confirmed in and out time, so you have to plan things really according to that, and you have to be a really good time management. At the last, I just want to say that career field for an for inside like this, event management is good until unless you are a bachelor, but uh, you can pursue this career ahead if you love your job and if you want to like interact, you love to interact with people on day-to-day basis.